So what's up beautiful people, it's Aenish and welcome back to this video. And in this video I'm gonna be sharing my week in a life video. But there is a surprise. I have made an app called Nepali Covid Tracker. It's basically a no-code app which is pretty much good. I think if you are just gonna develop an app just instantaneously, then it's better way to just go with no coding system. But the recommendation from myself is that please do learn some coding languages, because it will help you a lot in aftermath, after integration, stuff like that. So yeah, so do watch this video till then to find out which softwares or what type of app I have made. And please do share about the things that if you have ideas on what apps should I make of no code, like from no code stuff. And yeah,
no code tools, just make some stuff like that stuff. Yeah, and I'm just gonna create some app so that it can help many of us. It can solve at least one problem, or you can simply just build my profile like that stuff. So that's an update for this thing. So I'll again do watch this time lapse. I'm just creating a database of Google of my new app, which is obviously no code, and I'm just preparing that things into my code. I was just finding out how to just get the sort of databases or stuff like that into my Google Sheet so that I can implement that app, all the stuff like that, which is hectic, but I'm gonna do it anyway. So yeah, it's extracting. Using this tool called Phantom Busters to just extract the Google map results into my database, which is on. So finally, your app is baniyo, which I'm gonna show you in just a second. But you have I just wanna say that your app is not completely proper app. So because so I just prepared myself for logic on my view on that, and so please start make this app as a serious thing. You know, app box around some. So I'm not that of dev. So yeah, dev means developer. I'm not that type of developer. So here is an update for this app, which I have used several things like Glide, Google Sheets, Zapier, and stuff like that to make this thing an automation, because I want to be writing every single time. And it's pretty easy to just start with the Glide app. If you want to develop an apps with no code, or if you're not familiar with the code, then Glide is a must-have thing. But I also recommend you to just learn programming so that you can understand what's going on within this thing. Since I'm also learning stuff like that, I'm in the learning phase, so I'm not sure about that pretty much. But here's a quick review of what I've built till now. So this is a Glide app, and this app has been I have been using this app to just create this app. I don't know what I'm saying, but okay, let's see in this real time what this app does. Is made by Glide. So this is an app. I have just extracted this RSS feed from this RNB, Routing of Nepal Bandhas, so that I can build news. Since I haven't found any API for this Nepal news, so I haven't used that of SAR API like I've done in this country section. This is all from this API, and this is also from this API. And I have the charts, and I have this map view of all hospitals that I've extracted from this API, and every stuff like that. So this is pretty much it for this app. Yeah, this today cases is 0. I think it's working fine now. And this is a embed form of another views of this is more details for this COVID Nepal, this sites, and every stuff like that. And this is all made with this simple Glide app. And you can also build your own app from this Glide. So if you want to just start building an app with no code, then Glide is pretty much awesome. I think in product and also this is top one section. I think it's qualified for the finalist sections. So I think this no-code apps is gonna be booming pretty much sooner than I've thought that it would have. Yeah, this is pretty much it for this app, and I will be releasing this app in my link in the description below. This you can use this app, but I want to make sure that this app doesn't have any bugs. But since there is everything, bugs are everywhere, and I'm not sure what bugs it will be occurring in future, but I will try my best to solve it. And let's just if you want to try this app, then the link of the description. The link of the app is in the description. You can try it out. You can download it out. You can download and you can just have fun with this stuff. Also create with your own thing. Just I want to make sure that if you want to make this type of app, then I will highly suggest you to watch this video that I've used these references to build this app. And yeah, thank you for watching this video, and I'll catch you guys pretty soon. Until that time, have a great day, have a safe day. And if you have used this app, then do comment below about what you think about this thing. I'll catch you guys pretty soon. Peace out.